All right, we are on the record. I'm sorry. Madam Clerk, would you open the courtroom, please?
The State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Good morning.
Good morning. All right, we are on the record. This is file number 20161-607. The file is entitled TruScan versus City of Detroit. This appears to be our initial pretrial. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Forrest Becker, P72530 on behalf of TruScan.
Cheryl Ronk, 54789 on behalf of City of Detroit.
Okay. I apparently made an error on this file. I did not order the 302 disclosures to be made. So we'll order that to be done. We'll give you a new date unless you guys have settled your file. And as I take it, no, I did not settle file.
Well, I have some money. I will give them a call as soon as we're done, Your Honor, and see what we can do.
So what I'm going to do then, we'll give you a date. Does March 15 work for both of you?
Yep.
Yes, Your Honor.
Becca? Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn you to March 15th at 10 o'clock. And I will order that the disclosures be made within 21 days of today. We'll send out your order for you today. Anything else I can do for you guys today?
No, Your Honor.
How about you, Ms. Ron?
No, thank you. Should I call Mr. Neubauer or should I contact you, Mr. Becker?
Probably Mr. Neubauer, although I think he's tied up right at the moment, but I mean, generally, yes.
Okay.
2/8/21. Okay, then we're all done with you guys. I'm going to release you guys. We'll send out your order. And since you got some money, let's get it done.
Sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
That's where we're going. We all know it. we know where we're going here, so let's get there.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank y'all for coming in. We're off the record. All right, let's see who we got. Mr. Steck, what are you here for?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Brandon Nichols.
And you representing who, sir?
Defendant Nationwide, Your Honor.
Okay, and your name is Steck. Anybody here on that file?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Eric Rosenberg, P757.
All right, hold on, stop.
All right.
All right, you other guys are off to my waiting room. We'll get started on this file. We'll get back to you, okay?
Very good.
Okay, so let's off to the waiting room for you. Off to the waiting room for you. And off to the waiting room for Ms. Doe. Okay. 697. The next file we're going to call is file number 20161-697, Brandon Nichols versus Nationwide Mutual Fire Insurance Company. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Eric Rosenberg, P75782, on behalf of the plaintiff, Mr. Nichols.
And good morning, Your Honor. Dylan Steck, P number 82291, appearing on behalf of Defendant Nationwide.
Okay, in this file, which appears to be our initial pretrial, the court ordered you folks to make the 2.302 disclosures. I see that I have the disclosures from Nationwide. What about the plaintiff's disclosure?
Bear with me, please, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm not turning my back to you. I'm checking my digital file, if I may. so I can answer the question. I already know it, but I don't want to speculate. One moment. Hold on, please. I'm sorry, one moment. I believe that I would have served that, but not also filed it, but I don't want to guess. I want to see it before I say it. I'll be wrong. Disclosures plaintiff. It looks like, okay, hold on one moment, please. Initial disclosure. It looks like, Your Honor, on January the 29th, I served 184 pages on defense by email and by US mail. I did not file a copy with the court. However, if the court wants me to, I apologize.
No, I do not. But what I want is something in writing that indicates that you've made the disclosures and the date that you made it. Have you, Mr. Steck, received his 184 pages of drama?
I have, Your Honor.
Okay. Obviously, you have not had time to go through it. So here's where we are. And correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm wrong a lot. But I understand that both of you have made the initial disclosures, and we just need some more time to see what was actually disclosed.
Correct.
How
That's
about I
correct.
have you back March 15th? Does that work for both of you?
One moment. Let me look.
That works for
March-
defense.
Mr. Rosenberg, well, how about you?
Works perfectly, Your Honor.
March
Works perfectly.
15th at 10 o'clock. And in the meantime, let's adjust that information. And hopefully, since we know where we're going anyway, let's get ourselves in posture to settle the file.
Fine.
Without written notice, March 15th at 10 o'clock. Is there anything else, gentlemen, we can accomplish today?
There is, Your Honor. It's just following your order. I will be happy to file a proof of service. Does Your Honor want me to mail it and trust the post office, fax it? What does Your Honor want me to get the POS down there as quickly as possible?
It doesn't have to be as quickly as possible. If you mail it out the next 2 days, it'll be here in 2 weeks, which will be more than enough time for our March 15th.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll take care of it, and I'll hold my joke on Pony Express. Thank you, Your Honor.
What I'm interested in is making sure that we have this information in your respective hands, because you guys are the ones who are going to resolve the file, not me. And we can't get that done until we have that information in your hands. You're going to file me a proof of service, Mr. Rosenberg. You guys are going to digest the respective information. When we get together on March 15th at 10 o'clock, let's get in position to talk about resolving this file.
Certainly.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, gentlemen. We're going to release you, and y'all have a good day and be safe.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Off the record. Have a good day, Mr. Rosenberg. All right, Mr. Stursky, who are you here for?
I'm representing Beaumont Hospital, Your Honor. The defendant is an Anthony Hill.
Okay, I don't have your defendant. Ms. Doman, I have you here on Galaxy Diagnostics.
Yes,
And Mr. Grant, who are you here for?
Spectral Clinical Labs.
You're representing the city of Detroit.
Yes, Your Honor. It's Spectral Clinical Labs, Sharon Beasley.
Okay, so what I got is I got 3 defense lawyers and no plaintiffs. You guys want to settle your cases?
for zero.
Well, let's put you back in the waiting room, and when I get a plaintiff, I'll let you know, okay?
Your
Okay.
Honor, I represent the plaintiff,
I'm sorry, in which file?
Beaumont Hospital v. Anthony Hill.
Well, I don't have your defendant yet,
Correct.
and so I'm still not upset. Now, would you like to pay on one of these silly cases? Is that what you're saying? No?
I've got my own bills.
Okay, so I don't, in any event, I don't have a set as of yet,
Okay.
so. I'll put you all back in the waiting room, and we'll, as soon as I get a set, we'll move forward. If I don't get a set, then at 10:30, 10:32, we're gonna start dismissing in default.
Very good.
Okay,
So thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Same three people. Mhm. We are on the record calling file number 20162-523. The file is entitled Galaxy Diagnostics versus City of Detroit. By a notice dated January 8th, 2021, this matter is set for pretrial today, February 8th at 10 o'clock. It's currently 10:31. Could I have your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Doman, P79128 on behalf of defendant.
You're not representing plaintiff, Ms. Dolan?
No, I'm not.
Well, plaintiff having failed to appear, no good cause for that failure having been shown, this case is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Be safe.
You too. Thank you.
We are on the record calling file number 20156-194. The file is entitled Spectra Clinical Labs versus City of Detroit. This matter is scheduled for pretrial today at 10 o'clock. It's currently 10:32. Could I have your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Raymond Garant for the City of Detroit, P79349.
So I do not have an appearance by the defendant. This matter was set for pretrial today by notice dated January 13th. Matter set for hearing February 8th, no appearance. This case is dismissed without prejudice. You are free to go, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We are on the record. We are calling file number 20164-162. The case is entitled William Beaumont Hospital versus Anthony Hill. This matter is set for pretrial today at 10 o'clock by a notice dated January 13th, 2021. It's now 10:33. Could I have your appearance, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. Joe Cypersky, P63844 on behalf of the plaintiff, William Beaumont Hospital.
All right, Anthony Hill has failed to appear. This is, as I understand it from my review of the file, a claim for a sum certain on an account stated.
Correct, Your Honor.
Sir, if you would submit your default judgment in this matter, the court will enter the default of the defendant having failed to appear. No good cause of that failure having been shown. Send in your default judgment, sir. Thank you very much.
Understood. Thank you. Have a very good day.
Okay, and you be safe, sir. We are
You
off.
too. Thank you.
Yes, sir. We're off the record. Lisa, you're too big. All right. All right, Ms. Mansour, who do you represent? I can't hear you, ma'am. Let's try Ms. Greco. Who are you representing?
Hi, Judge. I'm here on behalf of the City of Detroit and Therapy Professionals
Okay.
versus City of Detroit.
Ms. Mansour, who are you representing?
Your Honor, I'm here for Advanced Surgery Center.
And Ms. Sheehan.
Your Honor, I'm here for Advanced Surgery Center. I represent the city of Detroit.
Okay, so I got a pair on there. And Ms. Greco, you're off to my waiting room, and we'll get started on the one I have a pair with.
Sure.
Okay. This is Advanced Surgery versus City of Detroit, correct?
Correct.
We are on the record calling file number 20167-080. The file is entitled Advanced Surgery Center versus City of Detroit. This appears to be our first pretrial on this no-fault matter. Your respective appearances.
Your Honor, Sylvan Mansour, P79241 on behalf of the plaintiff in this matter, Advanced Surgery Center.
Your Honor, Laura Sheehan, P83327 on behalf of the city of Detroit, the defendant in this matter.
Okay. My first question is whether or not the parties have made the 302 disclosures. Has that been done?
We have made initial disclosures, Judge, yes.
What about you, Ms. Sheehan?
We did. I didn't realize the records were not attached until this morning, so we did send the records over.
Okay. So at least that much has been done. You're not at a position, obviously, to settle. You're just changing records. Let's give you then another date and have you come back. Does March 15th work for both of you?
Yes, Judge.
What about you, Ms. Sheehan?
March 15th. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the Ides of March at 11 o'clock. In the meantime, let's get those disclosures done and let's get these files resolved. Anything else we should accomplish today?
I think we're good.
And how about you?
No, Ms. Mansour, are you the attorney handling the file?
Ali Kusan is the named attorney, but I can help you out with whatever needs to be done.
Okay, if possible, I'd like to set up a conference with you to discuss.
Yep.
Sounds great. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Right. Thanks.
You guys want to go to the waiting room? I mean, a chat room?
No, we can do a phone call.
Oh,
Yeah, that's fine.
okay, good enough. Then I'll send out a notice, March 15th, 11 o'clock. Let's get those disclosures done. Let's get this file resolved. Thank you both
Okay.
for coming in.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Off the record. We are on the record calling file number 20167-031, Therapy Professionals versus City of Detroit. This appears to be our initial pretrial. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Abro here on behalf of Therapy Professionals, P78224.
And Akila Greco here on behalf of the City of Detroit, P83874.
Okay. Have the disclosures been made?
They have, Your Honor.
And how about you, Ms. Greco?
Yes, ours have as well.
Okay. So there's really nothing we can do until y'all just digest that information. So unless you want to sell today, Deborah?
Your Honor, just for the record, Ms. Greco, I don't have your answer. I actually was only able to send the disclosures out because you sent me yours. So if you could just please forward me your answer, just so I have it for my record.
Yes, absolutely. I'll send that over to you right after we get off here.
Thank you.
Anything else we can accomplish today?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. March 15th work for both of you for our next pretrial?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. March 15th, 11 o'clock, Ides of March. We'll try this again. Hopefully by that time, our disclosures should have been digested. We'll be in position to hopefully resolve the file. Thank you both for coming in. Have a great day and be safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you too.
We're off the record.